All right, it's time we get back to it. So today what we're gonna do, we're gonna be hitting this quarter. Just because it's a bigger area, I want to finish it. Then I'm gonna start taking off the trim so we can start painting everything, all the trims black. So yeah, let's guide coat this and we're gonna get to it. All right, so I'm actually debating doing the quarter because I'm gonna have to remove the wing and the light, but that's no problem to be honest. So let me figure that out and we'll see from here. Maybe we'll do the door because the door kind of needs a lot. Yeah, we're gonna hit the door. We're gonna start with this top piece. We're gonna do that. We'll find the dents, then we'll guide coat the bottom. Cause you see right there, and all right there, and there's a small one right there. They hit something, so we'll figure that out. Then we'll take off that trim right there, and we'll start painting them black. And we'll probably do that little side skirt piece. But let's guide coat this top piece, then we'll get to it. We got that guide coated. Just gotta let it dry now. I'm gonna start removing some of these trims, just so I can clean them up. I'm gonna figure out what a certain color I'm gonna paint these. They're gonna be black, just because I've seen that on most cars, unless I change my mind. But all the trims are gonna be black, all the one running along here. But I'll talk about that more here in a few. But just get to blocking this. Well, let's let it dry first. Alright, I got this top piece sanded. This needs a little bit more work here and there. See, we got something right there, little low spot there, bigger low spot here, low spot here, one right here that's just small, and this is a bigger one, but nothing too crazy. So I'm gonna fill those in, then we'll get back at you. Then I'm debating doing that one or saving that for the last. We'll see, because I still got to do that part too. So I'll probably do that and just do the whole top half. But yeah, let's let's get these filled in. I decided we're gonna check this quarter panel too. Then I'll throw the Bondo filler, whatever you want to call it, over the dents. But let's wait for this to dry and we're gonna sand that so we can get these both at the same time. All right, we filled up those low spots with some putty. Now we're just gonna go and sand it. This stuff was just drying real fast from the heat, so it's a bit hard to spread here and there. About all the dents, but I'm gonna stop putting Bondo for the day. I'm just gonna spray this because it's just drying too fast. I mean, literally 10 seconds this shit dried. I put like literally the smallest amount because it's just a small little thing, so it's just not working today. So I'm gonna finish doing that, finish checking that, and we're probably just gonna prime this. Alright, I got this all about sanding. I just got to do a quick little putty there, but this is all good. Ready to go there. Just got to finish up sanding these little parts right here. Throw a little putty and we'll be ready to prime. So let me hurry up and do that so we can get to it. Put the little putty on there, we're going to sand that, but that's the last of the putty. I mean, I put like the smallest amount and it's drying as fast as can be. And I don't know, something's happening there because this is not that crazy hot, I think. I mean, it's hot, but I don't know. Anyways, let's sand that down so we can prime this. All right, got it all sanded. It's looking nice now. Just gotta cover that little piece with some masking paper. Then I'm gonna hit it with some thinner, then we can get to priming. So let's do that. So I'm trying to get done with this before my brother starts tweaking. Wipe this down with thinner real quick and let's prime. All right, we got it all wiped down, everything ready to go. So let's mix our primer and get to shooting. I'm not even gonna try and cover the wheel because the wind's gonna blow it away. So it'll be fine. I'll take it off later. But let's get to priming. All right, I feel like I've shown y'all me mixing enough paint this week. So just hear me mixing the actual hardener and paint. Then we'll get to spraying. So let me mix this and I'll get back with you. Didn't even notice I forgot to cover my light right here. I was moving too fast for myself, but it's fine. I can get that off. But we got this all done. It's looking nice from what I can see. There's one small dent up on that little thing right there that I didn't notice, but it's fine. We can get that still later. We're looking good. All right, we got that prime, so we're good to go. Everything's looking pretty good. I'm about to look it over right now. I'll be covering all of that after, once I take off the wing and whatnot. I didn't think about it. I could have lifted up the hatch, but I would have had to tape off all that. But it's fine. I'll get to that once we get all over there. But yeah, we're looking good. I don't see any dents. I didn't really get to look at it too much while I was wet, but all is looking fine so far. I believe I'm going to check it one more time around whenever I go and do the bottom piece, but we'll figure that out after. But we're looking good. So that's all for this one. Hit that follow, stay tuned, and we're gonna hit more tomorrow. You're not gonna want to miss it.